Another day, another solution. Let's talk dirt. In a partition case, only one decision matters most. Not who paid more, not who lived there, but how the property will be divided. In Texas, especially, there are only two options: partition in kind or partition by sale. In the last video, we explained something important. You don't remove co-owners, you end co-ownership. Partition is a legal tool that Texas courts use to do that. But partition does not always end the same way. That depends on how the court decides that the property can be divided. Partition in kind means the court is physically dividing the property. The court divides the land itself and gives a portion to each owner. Each owner receives a separate tract. And not money, just land. Under Texas law, a partition in kind is actually preferred. If a property can be divided fairly and practically, then the court is instructed to divide it physically amongst the owners. That preference comes from longstanding Texas case law. But obviously, partition in kind is not always possible. Some properties simply cannot be divided without harm. For example, a single house cannot be split down the middle. Neither can most residential lots. If division would materially impair value, partition in kind may not be feasible. But that must be proven to the court. Only then does the Texas law permit a forced sale. Partition by sale means the property is sold. The sale is supervised by the court. After the sale, the proceeds are divided to each owner. Each owner receives money instead of land. This result is common in residential cases, not because courts prefer sales as discussed earlier, but because division is often impractical. Sale is the alternative when division will not work. So here's the key takeaway. Texas courts start with division, not sale. The court first asks, can this property be divided in kind, fairly, and usefully? Only if the answer is no does the court move toward a sale. That decision comes before any final distributions, before reimbursements, before adjustments. The manner of division comes first. Oftentimes, people assume that a sale is automatic. Texas law does not. Partition in kind is the starting point, sale is the fallback. Understanding that order prevents confusion and false expectations. In the next videos, we'll go even deeper. When a partition is required, how heirship property changes the analysis, and how the partition process works from start to finish. Each video building on the last. And remember, in Texas, partition ends co-ownership, but courts prefer division over sale when possible. Only when division fails does the sale follow. These videos are not legal advice. They're educational. They're meant to help you understand the issue before making costly decisions. If you're dealing with a co-ownership dispute, visit us at www.guerradays.com in the links below. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. As always, thank you for watching.